Having trouble with your iPhone where the other person can't hear you unless you turn on the speaker? If you're facing this issue, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 advanced solutions to fix this problem. Let's dive in and get started. Solution 1. Enable automatic calling option for iPhone. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Accessibility, scroll down, tap Touch, scroll down, tap Call Audio Routing. Make sure to set the speaker. Solution 2. Turn off restriction. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Screen Time, scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now toggle this feature off. Solution 3. Give Reset All Setting. Open Setting, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer and Reset iPhone, tap Reset. Tap Reset All Settings. Even though this will reset all of your network data including Wi-Fi password but won't delete any files from your iPhone, and this will get your setting back to default. If you agree, then try to do a Reset All setting to your iPhone and your problem will be solved. If you're still facing issues, it's time to take your device to Apple Care for help with any hardware problems. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.